Hi guys, once again, welcome back to a brand new episode of Boosted Sports Card Collecting. Tonight is Monday night, December 30th. We're almost to the end here, and I'm going to do some ripping because I want to rip a blaster all the way until the new year and probably a little past it because I want to have some fun ripping some blasters that I've had for a while. So here's 2021 Top Series 1. See what we can get out of here. See if we can pull any Something exciting, some number cards, relics, autos, something cool. So we'll see if we can get some fire out of this blaster box of 2021 Top Series 1. Empty blaster. Oh, and there's an extra. Oh, this came with, that's right, I remember, coupons. $1 off coupons, $2 off coupons, yeah. Very interesting. And then here are one exclusive 2021 Topps Anniversary 70th patch. So we'll leave that to the end. We'll go ahead with the top card or top pack. All right. And here we go. Top card. Ian Happ for the Cubs. Joey Grand Theft Auto. Jordan Alvarez, that's cool. Nico Robin Future Stars. Buster Posey. Rookie card of Nate Pearson. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., very cool. A bleh of Miguel Cabrera, blue. 86 style of Randy Johnson. 52 style, Shohei Ohtani. Off-centered, but that is a PC for me. We got ourselves some post-game hand wash. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., cool. A white Cole Hinner, rookie card. A Alex Gordon and a Mike Davis. All right, next pack. All right, let's see what we get out of this. Top pack, top card, rookie card of David Pearson. Rookie card of Anderson Tejada. Rookie card of Keibert Ruiz. Okay. Rookie card of Marion Mountcastle. Cool. Carlos Correa. Looks like I got a gold one in here. Jesus Aguilar. Jake Ordonez. Bryce Harper. Okay, we're going to put Bryce behind there. 52 stop style Miguel Cabrera. Got a Travis DiNardo. Got Hugh Darvish. Got a Ryan Yamamashi. The Arizona Diamondbacks. All right, and that is Danny Santana. Gold. Numbered to 879 of 2021. Well, that's cool. Bang. We got ourselves some gold. Gold, Ethan, gold. We got gold. All right, there we go. All right, next pack. Let's see what we got out of this next pack. Okay. Top card is Daniel Murphy. And then Brad Hassan. Yep. Difficulty sometimes. These names are hard to read. Austin Myers, Kirby Bates, Archie Bradley, Pete Alonso. That's cool. Ronald something. Stars in Service. Anthony Rizzo. Yordan Alvarez. Very cool. There. Pirates. Ryan something. Cannot read these names. Nolan Arenado. That's cool. And Paul Goldschmidt. Collect both those guys. That's very cool. All right, next pack. Okay, top card. Got a Robbie Ray. Got Do It for the Fans. Nico Gordman. Marcell Ozuna, League Leaders. Yadier Molina. Rhys Hoskins. Aaron Judge, All Rise. We got a blue. Adam Pazar from the Indians. We got a home run challenge card of Josh Donaldson. We got a Joey Bart. We got the Braves. The Twins. The Rockies. And a Brett Gardner from the Yankees. All right, next pack. All right, top card. We got an Anthony Santander, Hunter Harvey, Danny Menendez, Mike Clevenger, Alex Bregman, Danny Wardruff, Cody Whitley, rookie card, 86 style of Shane Bieber, Joey Bart again, Austin Hedges, Mario Suarez, there we go, Mookie Betts, World Series, and Seth Lodogo. Alright, next pack. Alright, top card here, we got a Jesus Luzardo, Future Stars. Rookie card of Christian Javier. I actually pulled this guy's 101 in opening day rookie card. Sold it for $100. PSA 10. Spencer Howard rookie. Albert Albalé rookie card. Mike Yazowski. Jesus Sanchez rookie card. Patrick Corbin. Tony Kemp. We got a chrome 52 style. We got a chrome 52 style. Awesome. Nate Pearson. Roughneck Odor. William Flores. Blake Snell, who's now a Dodger. Corey Seager, who's a Ranger. Tony Kemp. And we're going to go this way. And it is Joe Adell rookie card chrome 52 style. That's a pretty cool card. There we go. Very cool card. Alright, last regular pack here. Alright, top card. We got a Torkin Skubal, Cy Young Award winner, rookie card right there. You got a Charlie Blackton, Jake Bareas, Jay Bruce, Eric Schwinda. We got a green, Willie Smith, Brandon Crawford, which we're going to go to the back with, Josh Bell, 52 style, Marcus Semien, Levaria Tavares, rookie card, Mike Morris, World Series, Walker Buehler. We'll be getting more cards like that this year. All right, Brandon Crawford, we're going from behind. Big Meat, Pete Alonso, 70th anniversary card. Sweet. And the final regular card is going to be a green foil. And it's going to be a sideways card. And it is from the Washington Nationals. It is the Washington Nationals. That's lame. All right, number to 499. 247 of 499. Another little insert hit there. All right. So there we go. All right. And now let's see what we get out of our commemorative patch from 2021. And it is Frank Thomas from the Chicago White Sox. So how about that? A PC'er. That'll work. Frank Thomas from the White Sox. Bang. Bang. There you go. Frank Thomas from the White Sox. All right, so 4 pretty decent cards and some PC cards here. Frank Thomas to 499 of the Washington Nationals. Joe Adell, 52 style Topps Chrome, and a gold of Danny and Santana here from the Texas Rangers. All right, tell me what you think about how I did, what your favorite card was. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Leave a like, and as always, peace.